Hey guys, I know. I always say that this is the last shipment, but for real this time, this one really is the last one. So I'm really excited. I just want to go through it really quickly with you guys. There's a lot to unpack. There is. Okay, let's just get started, right? Okay, so we got a few more cases of these 180 shot Sin Cities. These go really fast. Really nice. Got some more Crazy Train. This is already pulled for somebody, I believe. Victorious Warriors. And this one, the box is like, it's different on every side. And the top is different too. And then we have Taz Attack. 205 shots. Love Looney Tunes. I have a kid that he reminds me of. We got Halftime Show. 168 shots. Some more Money Line. We got Master Salute to Blue. This is really nice. It's got a good pace. 400 shots. We got, let's see if I can get back here. Porky Rules. 66 shots. It's massive. It's massive. It's nice. King of Kong. We waited for this since the first time we got it, honestly. Got some of those. 360 shots. Really nice. We got Voodoo Doll, 49 shots. It says A and B. Looks really nice. Warheads. Down there. More Halftime Show, Money Line. So we got some more Lowrider. Some more Rebellion. Invader. Got a fair amount of those. Those are really nice. 1%er wraps are my favorite. I'm like just all set. I love them. Look at that. Some more Gangster Paradise. Also labeled as A and B. 100 shots. Some more Rebellion. Sin City. It's all Sin City. Voodoo Doll. Blue Dream. So Crazy Train. Some more of Masterpiece. We love this one. This one is just so nice. Blue Dream. Lots of Blue Dream. Got a few more Megatron. These go so fast. These went so fast. Got more of those. Lots more. Some Lucky Charms. Taz. And more of the Victorious Warriors. Too bad there's not one that's out that I can show you the top of. This one, every single side, like I said, is different on that one. This one's just massive. Just absolutely massive. And that one, very, very close to equal massiveness. So this is definitely for sure the last shipment of the season. So I think I'll go through and show what the containers look like so you guys can get an idea of what we have. all together what's left. And definitely just, you know, hit us up. Emails are in the bio. Yeah, ask for a list, let us know.